Yeah, definitely. So you talked a little bit about the beginning of your career. When you first started out your clinic, did you have any goals, like set goals for yourself and for the clinic?
Gosh, when it's first starting, it's one of those things where, you sign your name on the dotted line and it's off to the races. I mean, when you have quite a big number that you're responsible for, you're going to be very focused. I mean, my personality profile, I was talking about that earlier. I've run those over the years and it keeps coming back. I'm analytical by nature. And so I'm going to put together the forecast and the spreadsheets. I'm going to go do my due diligence. So after assembling all that, I think I had a pretty good start. I mean, the town that we're in, Flower Mound, it sounds like it's some country town, but there's a lot of people here. There's like 75,000 people. And then probably within a 5-mile radius, there's probably another 100,000 people. So there's a lot of people in this suburban town. So I was kind of going into an area that was already kind of on an upswing, and it has been on an upswing for 20 years, and it's still growing like crazy. So being in that spot really helped a lot. But yeah, your question was when I started the office, what goals did I have? And it was just really to get this thing going and just try to retain the patients, make them happy, figure out how to make our procedures more efficient, more comfortable, and then just keep on going. I kept reinvesting back into the office. Whenever I had a nice little profit, I'd take some home, but I'd take some and put it right back into the practice and buy the stuff that was going to help, build this wheel that eventually now that we built. So that was no master plan. It was just grow. And that's what we did.